Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In today's video I'll be showing you top website every graphic designer should know. So the number one on my list is Pinterest. So I believe many of you know Pinterest because it's a very popular um, platform where you can get inspired. Okay, as you can see there are tons of design here. Okay, so and also you can get resource files here. For example, let's search okay, let's just say background. Okay, as you can see we are having a lot of background here. Not only background, you can also get PNG image too. Okay, let's say PNG element. You see, so whatever kind of elements you need, you can get them all here. Okay, all you need to do is to take off the background when you download them. Okay, so one thing I love about this app, one thing I love about this website is you don't only get images, you also get videos just like this. Okay, if you're a motion designer, you can come here for inspiration too. Okay, this is a wonderful platform. Let me say it's an all-in-one platform where you can do a lot of things. So the next on my list is flat icon. Okay, this flat icon is basically for PNG images. Okay, so let me say we can search call icon here, and there are many of them. Okay, so what I love about this app is you can as well change the color of any icon before you download. Okay, let's just say, let's try something. Let me say we're moving from blue to green. Okay, so here done, click download. Okay, let's say 512, and that's it. Okay, so it's a very nice platform. So the next one on my list is Upwork. Yeah, I believe so many of you know Upwork. This is basically a platform where you can get job for every niche at all. So as a graphic designer, there are jobs for you. For example, we have graphic designer needed for forest agency poster. Okay, so this you can apply for, and this is Canva PDF printing issue. I don't know what that is. And this is YouTube thumbnail maker needed. So if you know how to make YouTube thumbnail, you can as well apply for this job. This is $5. If $5 is okay for you, you can as well apply for it. So business card design needed. So these are tons of job out here. So as time goes on, I will make a full video on Upwork so you can understand how this platform operates. So this is Connect. It's normally used to apply for job. So the next platform on my list is PNG Wing. Okay, so let me close this. This PNG Wing is mostly used to get PNG images, just like flat icon, but this one is a little bit different because as you can see, you don't only have icon, you have PNG images, which are very, very useful when it comes to design. Okay, for example, you can see this emoji here, and anything you can think of, you can just find it here. Right, so PNG Wing, take note. Okay, the next one is Font. So this is one of my favorite websites where I come to get fonts, and let's move over to the next one. So the next font on my list, the next website on my list is called On Blast. So this is a website where you can come and get popular mockup You can see all these mock-up designers use recently. So this is where they normally get them from. Okay, not only here, we have different websites, but this one is a very common website for designers. Okay, so you can get various kind of mock-up on this platform. So not only mock-up, you can also get fonts. Okay, just like this ones you see here. Let's move over to the next website, which is Mr. Mockup. So this Mr. Mockup is also a place where you can get free mockup from. Okay, just like on Blast, but this one has some other forms of mockup, which is very, very beautiful. So the next one on my list is Behouse. Behands is a platform where you can get inspired. You can get inspiration from this platform. You can also apply for jobs as a graphic designer. As you can see, we have this job tab over here. So we have different kind of job for designers. As you can see, this is e-commerce graphic designer. You can apply for any job of your choice. What I love about this platform is you can also use it as a form of portfolio if you don't have money to build a professional website. So you can upload your jobs on Behands, and client can come and view your jobs and see more about your brand or your personal self. You can also sell individual services. For example, we have social media ads, flyer design. We have web design / development service. We have brand identity / logo design. So you can sell all kinds of services here. And next platform on my list is ResourceBoy. This ResourceBoy is a website where we as creative go to get different kind of mockup, just like on Blast and other websites. As you can see, we have different kind of mockup and they are very, very beautiful. So the next website on my list is Creative Market. So this Creative Market is a place where you can sell your digital products as a graphic designer or a motion designer or a website designer. You can sell all kinds of stuff like font, templates. If you are into UI UX design, you can sell your design here. You can sell all kinds of stuff. Okay. So the next website on my list is Freepik. This is a very popular platform where you can download pictures, mockup, templates, and all kinds of stuff. So for example, let's try so as you can see, this is the result we had from our search. So the next website on our list is GOOMRO. GOOMRO is basically a place where you can sell your products and services and assets, all kinds of digital products like PSD file, templates, motion graphics, and all kinds of stuff. You can sell them on this platform and make money. So the next on my list is PRINTERY. So PRINTERY is more like a print on demand platform. Okay, so how this platform work is that you will make the design and send it over to them, and they'll do the printing on any substance of your choice. For example, clothes, bags, cups, books, and all kinds of stuff. Okay, so they can print it on any substance of your choice and send it, and they will send it over to you, and you can sell to your customers, or they might even do the shipping for you. Okay, so it all depends on the service you choose to go with. So you can as well check these websites on your own time so you can discover more about the platform. So the last one on my list is my color space. So this my color space is basically a place where you can come and get matchable colors. This platform is mostly used by people who are into branding. Okay, so they mostly come here to get matchable colors for their design. All right, so if you are someone who find it difficult to come up with color idea, you can come here and search for matchable colors. So let's try and see how this platform work. And let's click generate and give it some time to load. So as you can see, this is the result. So here comes the end of this wonderful tutorial. Please don't forget to give this video a like and comment in the comment section below. So guys, that's all for today. I'll see you all in my next video. Stay creative.